Yo, what's up you guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at gold, the NASDAQ, Dow Jones and the SNP500 from both a technical and a fundamental perspective. If you are new here, sub would be appreciated as I provide valuable educational content on a daily basis, and if you enjoy the content, please do consider smashing that thumbs up button there as well. Before we continue, let's go through some of the questions that we received yesterday. First one is from Scott C. It's not a question, intro too long. Okay. Rudzani, thank you, Mr. Rolio. After how long after the news events do you enter the market, or do you wait? I'll probably say 15 to 30 minutes is always a good way. Well, it's the best thing to wait, because that allows the market to kind of just, work out that volume that it needs to. Matteo saying, Rolio for the win. Thank you so much, my good friend. Please explain what happened with the large pullback on gold. I'm not sure what pullback it is that you were speaking about, because I have made the video on there, the pullback and then that continuation. I would suggest that you go watch this video that I made here, particularly on gold. Guys, it is important that you guys do watch the videos from the beginning to the end, so that you don't have to ask questions that I have already covered there as well. Mr. Katle is saying, I can see that on your watch list today you didn't add USD. I see your watch list. Can you mine? No problem, we can add that. Please analyze gold, we'll definitely appreciate it. Why aren't you breaking down gold? Guys, again, if you watched last week's breakdown and you watched yesterday's breakdown, I then tell you guys in this video, I say I'm gonna make another video tomorrow where I will be breaking down gold equity. Do you guys actually watch the videos? So if you watch this video where you guys commented on there, then you would have seen there you can see, there you can basically see in the video, you can see there, I'm gonna put on the there, commodities, all of that stuff. Last week I made a video also to inform you guys I will do two breakdowns, one for the forex and one for the rest of the stuff. So make sure you do watch the videos from the beginning to the end. Okay, don't skip and then you skip everything and then you're going to ask me a question that I have already covered in these videos. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go straight into this information. Okay, first article from CNBC. It's here, gold drops after Powell leaves the door open for more rate hikes. Now, as you guys obviously know by now, any indication for higher interest rates means a stronger dollar. Anything negatively correlated as a precious metal, which is priced in the dollar index, will be negatively impacted in the long term there as well. Says your gold fell on Friday en route to a snap, a four session, I just needed to correct that, a 4-session streak or gains after Federal Reserve Jerome Powell left the door open for more interest rates. It says here that gold fell 0.21%. Okay, it says here the dollar and benchmark of the 10-year treasury yields ticked higher, denting non-yielding bullion's appeal. Now, this is a long article and I don't want to make things too long. Okay, so you guys more than happy to read through that entire article. For me, I'm just about the heading so I can understand which way the market is going. Next up, we've got the stock market. It says here the S&P and the NASDAQ closed higher, snapped 3-week losing streak as Wall Street shakes off rate fears. Again, because of the negative correlation between the index and the indices, that is why you can expect the indices to continue lower, but not just straight away, because we do expect a correction. Also, if you make sure you go watch yesterday's breakdown for the DXY breakdown, so that you don't ask me why did you not break down DXY. Please guys, make sure you watch the videos from the beginning to the end. Don't skip because you lose out on the valuable content that I provide. I put in so much work in these videos, so much effort into these videos for you guys, and then you guys come, I skip, I want you, and then you no, please, from the beginning to the end, from the beginning you will watch the videos from the beginning to the end. Please guys, support the brother support, support. support. Any case, let's go to gold. Now, gold obviously has got more room to move to the upside after I've made the initial breakdown, the break and the pullback. What the previous video, I've done this analysis anticipating, explaining all of the moves, why we can expect this move to the upside because of the correction that I've made yesterday on the breakdown that I did yesterday. They're explaining why DXY is supposed to pull back. I do expect gold to continue higher because gold has broken above a very important structure. This level over here acted as level of support. Mark broke below that, above that, came back, tested it as resistance there once again. So I do expect gold to continue higher there as well. And then next up we've got the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ here, you can see basically went exactly as anticipated. So an update on this is obviously due. What we have here is a potential head and shoulders pattern. Now a head and shoulders pattern is considered a bearish pattern from a technical perspective. You can see here we've got the market printed a left shoulder ahead, and we've got the potential of the right shoulder. The right shoulder will also be formed where the market printed this previous level of support. Let me just remove the chart for you guys. So we obviously got a market over here that printed a level of support. Yeah, support. Market broke below support, came back, tested it as resistance, but we got that rejection. Market broke above resistance, broke back below support, and it's back due to test resistance there once again. And because of that, I do expect a slight move maybe to the upside, not just because of that, but I do expect the market to continue slightly lower compared to what it is over there. And then from there, another update is going to come through. Please, another update is going to come through with these videos. Next up, we've got the Dow Jones. Now you can see there, I anticipated that move to the downside for the Dow Jones also, and I do expect the Dow Jones to still continue lower. There's nothing more I can talk about this. I do expect this market to continue lower over here, and that is exactly what I'm going to stick with for the market to come and test this previous level of support. And then we've got the SNP500 also went exactly as anticipated. Yo, the people don't even say, yo, my bro, well done, and breakdowns are doing good. Everything is always going as anticipated. Okay, I hope you guys are making use of this information and you actually trade the information that I provide to you guys, valuable educational content here as well. Similar price action we got here on the S&P 500. If you look slightly left to this level over here, you can see the market first went back to that level. Market also here printed a left shoulder. Printed a left shoulder head, and I do anticipate this right shoulder to take place. We also have this massive impulse. So after an impulse, you expect a correction. The best way to measure that is by taking your Fibonacci from the low to the high, and I do anticipate probably a 50% correction before a continuation to the downside once again. Now we're gonna just do that there. That is more likely we anticipate the market to continue lower. Next we got AUD USD as requested. Let's see what we got over here. Now this market over here is currently testing a previous level of support, right? Now I do expect the pullback to at least the 0.382, and if you take the Fibonacci there from the high to the low, I do expect a pullback to at least this level. We could potentially see a deeper correction, but for now I do expect the market to pull back to that level, and then from there we can monitor price action once again and see what the market is giving us. Guys, if you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments below. Please, valuable questions, please drop them down in the comments below. That is all from my side. Enjoy this Sunday. Thank you for your time, and as always, cheers for yes. Boom.